Bitcoin has done something very weird this weekend. It almost gave all of us anxiety. I was checking Twitter. So, by the way, this is my Bitcoin price prediction for the 7th of February 2022. Slap the like button or I'll slap you subscribe because I'm trying to get 50k subs. And if you want to trade the best altcoins first with better fees than any other exchange, use MEXC. Sponsored by them. The link is in the description down below. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Uh, the chart was giving everyone anxiety, man. Do you remember what happened? We had 5,000 ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs. Perfect for scalping. And this is the first weekend I decided not to scalp, which is a big mistake. I just had a huge short, obviously closed that. We had an alert here, and I didn't close here, which was a really bad thing. I had an alert, didn't close here. That was a huge mistake. I predicted this. I made a video that Bitcoin would crash. It did, and then it did just this. And I was staying up at 3 a.m. and nothing happened. When what I noticed was very interesting. There were, whenever the price would drop, right? Whenever we had bullish divergence on the 5 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame that could have led to a bigger move, I saw woes. Like someone would put up a 25 mil woe. That's not that big on Binance on futures, but we I did see woes at like certain very close to the last price in order to just give that little push up, and then they would be removed after the push, which for me show that whales are in control, buyers are in control, and whales want the price to be up. And you can see that on the 4 hour chart that what we had here was actually a fake out. And what should happen from here, if we continue this upwards momentum and trend line, is actually this area, and this would be my price target for the long-ish term, for maybe the next for February, hopefully for 50-ish k would be my big target. But for the short term, I do believe we can get the 46k price, because we're getting a lot of volume at the 47. I would probably be more interested at 46k ish, 46,500 or so. Seems like a good place to actually buy some. At We're seeing a small volume divergence to the upside, as you can see in the last day ish from the breakout. The breakout was with volume, which is really good. So yeah, definitely 46k is a very doable price that I would target. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. There's no volume between these prices, so it's very probable that we can actually hit that. And let me just show you how probability worked in terms of prices here, right? We had this dip where we had low volume dip, and whenever we have lower volume, price just moves faster in this area, especially when you get some stop loss hunts and so on. Let me know your thoughts about Bitcoin in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.